you ever tried any experiments on your own biology? I guess this is referring to, and correct me if I'm wrong, if I've tried to do experiments with my own body. Yes, I've tried. I took, as I said, bacteria from my skin, and I cultured different colors. And with these colors, I made different mixture with bioplastic and different printing techniques, and also different culturing methods with different culture media. And right now, I want to go a little bit farther, and I'm working with skin culture.